Hi, I'm Candace Metcalf, and this is for my AEP 800 class, and this is my mini assignment number 3, 5 new technologies. The first one I have is Big Oven, and it is a recipe website where you can compile and look up recipes. I teach family and consumer sciences, so this would be a great way for my students to compile all the recipes that they've made this year, and they can keep them so that they are able to find their recipes at the end of the year. Alright, this is Big Oven, and it is a free website, and it is web-based. There are apps you can download as well on your devices, but you do not have to have them, and it will work from any browser. Alright, so when I go in here to Big Oven, it is simple to set up a free account. You can upgrade your account if you want to have the paid version and have more options, but you do not have to. This is a great simple way to search for recipes. So if I wanted to search for a turnover recipe, then it automatically populates all these recipes that I could try in my kitchen. So maybe I want to try this one here. I can click on it, and then I can save the recipe to something I would like to try, and then it automatically goes over here to my recipes, and it would be in the section labeled I want to try. Over here, want to try. So these are ones I've already uploaded. You can upload. So if I had a recipe I found on a website, I could upload it from there by just entering my URL. If you wanted to add a recipe here, so that URL you would just paste right in there, and it would automatically import and convert that over to a recipe to make it formatted like all the other recipes in Big Oven. If you had a recipe that you already typed out, you could come over here, select your recipe that you've already typed in another. This is in Google Docs, and then I can go into the recipe and paste it in there, and then I can just highlight each section and then push the arrow, and it automatically brings it over here to the recipe. So I don't have to retype it, it just automatically does that, and then you can say what category it is, and then it just automatically puts everything in there. Now, a grocery list is a great option that I like. So say I wanted to make one of these recipes, maybe these chocolate chip cookie recipe. I can click on it and just click the shopping cart, and it automatically pushes those ingredients from the cookies over here, and I can say select the ones that I already have. So maybe I already have eggs, and I have flour and soda, and I can take off which ones I already have at my house and then add the rest to my shopping cart. The great part about this is it automatically puts it into if I have the app on my phone, it puts it on there, and then when I go to the grocery store, I'll have my list without having to take it with me. So it also has an option where you can enter ingredients that you already have in your kitchen, and then it'll give you recipes that have those ingredients in them. So I hope you guys enjoy this app, and I hope you have a great day.